Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be making sausages with you people, and this time we are going to be creative because we are going to be adding pineapple and bell peppers to the sausages. So kindly stay tuned, watch this video till the end. So first I'm starting by preparing the ingredients by chopping them off, cutting them into small pieces, and I'll start by chopping off the sausages. This is how I'm going to do it. So for my sausages, I had already cooked them, and I have a video of how to cook sausage perfectly at home. Kindly go back to my channel and watch that video. So I had already fried them and allowed them to cool down, and now I'm preparing them. So I'll be cutting them into strips like this. However, you can cut them in the designs which you want. So now I've just finished cutting the ingredients. This is a mix of sausages and the bell peppers. So I've just mixed them here. And here are our pineapples, diced pineapples, and I've got onions here. So now on to the next step. I'll go ahead and fry all these. Kindly stay tuned. Watch this video till the end. So we start by frying the onions first. Let me turn on the heat. I had already added vegetable oil here, and we are going to be frying our onions. I'm going to be frying the onions until they are golden brown. So next I'm going to add the sausages and the bell pepper. And I'll also make sure to cook under medium heat for my meal not to get burnt. And I'm going to stir this up. I'm also going to add some salt. and then add our pineapples. So I will let our meat cook for only 5 minutes because I don't want the bell peppers to overcook, and I just want to maintain the flavors. So I'm going to cover it and let it cook for only 5 minutes. It's now 5 minutes down the line. Now let's check our meal, and wow, it's already cooked. It looks so yummy, so delicious. So this is a quick breakfast which you can prepare. It doesn't take much of your time. So nutritious, healthy, and everyone will enjoy it. So just have a look. The mixture of sausages, the bell peppers, pineapple, all the mix of those flavors. So nice, smelling so nice, so yummy, so delicious. I just can't wait to try this. Surprise your family. It's now right now is Valentine's, month of love. Surprise your loved ones by this simple recipe and they will love it. Just have a look. Wow, so delicious, so yummy, and nutritious at the same time. So if you've loved this video, kindly like it, share and write your comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you in my next video.